Hey guys, welcome to Gyrotech, and right here is a question on MS Word. Yeah, for the WAEC students and NECO students, having to do with data processing, computer science, practicals, you might want to look at this question. Trust me, there's something in here you could actually learn. Okay, so we have a question that said using Microsoft Word and above to produce the format and perform the task below. Right? The task is divided into parts, namely header and body. Use any inbuilt header of your choice. Adobe Divanagari, font style and font size 10 point. By default, insert the shapes in the body format and type objective, biodata, educational history, um, personal skills, and hobbies slash best subjects and referee to uppercase, italicize, and bold them with the font size 12 point. The text box shape weight must be 2 points except stated otherwise in the application. So we've been given this. So let's go ahead to create it. Okay, so we have the header here. We have a sample of what the header looks like. So let's go ahead to create it. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to, of course, type on the Windows here, and we're going to type on Word. We're going to open it. Let me take up my snipping tool. Okay, then blank database. So we have this. Okay, we just set up the page. Nothing really fancy. Just want to keep it in the setup there. Taking some time here to load. Don't worry, guys. It's going to go off. I just need to probably license it. I have to get a license key for it to actually uh, license it. So it's just gonna take a okay. Think we're good to go. Let me just pause it and okay. So we're back. Um, just need to cancel this. Take off this. Click on the page setup. Make it centimeter, guys. Centimeter page A4. Now, if you don't know how to change yours to centimeter, you can come here to File, More, Options, and Advanced. And under Show Document Content, under Display, you can show the measurement in unit of this. So you can actually change it from here. Okay, under Display, you can actually change the measurement in unit of this. You can change it here. Okay, all right. So we have this. We're just going to create a header for it. We'll go to Insert. Um, we have a header here. I'm going to select the three columns, right? Because obviously what we have there looks like a three column. Okay. Um, I'm just going to pause this briefly to check something. Okay, so after using the three column, we're just gonna type in this. So we have Good Shepherd Schools Uptown. So let's see how we can navigate. Okay, so I'm just going to just going to um, highlight it. Okay, and post it here. Okay, right click and just pick the text of it. Okay, so we have that. Going back to the next question, we have this phone number here. Okay, so going back to the question, we have this. So we're just going to highlight this. Oh boy, no. Okay, nope. Okay, probably seeing this as a link. Yes, it is. Probably I had to link it in the document for exporting it, but fine. We're just gonna type it in. Um, good shepherd schools.ng. Okay, I think we have that here. Go back to the question. Okay, that's fine with me. Let's go back to the question then. Okay, just take this off. Sorry. Right, so we have that. Now they said this for the header, and then we have the body. Okay, so let's go in the body and let's see what we have. Okay, in the body we have this, so we just okay. So we go here. Just want to move this so that it's easier what I'm doing. Okay, so we're going to create close this. We're going to create a text box quickly for that. I will just duplicate it really. We're not doing much of it. Um, two. They said two. Let's be sure. So we're just making it just 2 points. Okay. So let's check. I'm going to explain what I did. I know you're wondering, it's not explaining. They said the text box shape weight should be 2 points. So um, you add the text box here. So I'm going to start again. Go to my insert tab. Uh, Under my insert, I go to shapes and I go to my text box, click on it, and then my shapes, text box, click on it here, right? And now you see the shape format here, and under the shape outline, you go to weight, and then you go to more lines. More lines here, you're going to select the width that you want for it. I'm just going to put 2 points. Okay, so I have the 2 point here, and that's fine with me. And we have that, okay? So I have this here, and I'm just going to look at the question and begin duplicating. Okay, so I have um, that here. The next one I have is okay. I'm going to adjust this if possible. Let's see how I can move it. Okay, that will be better. Insert here, uh, right here in illustration shapes, and I'm just going to put objective here. All this is going to be formatted later. Um, I have the bio data. Okay, I have this here. Just want to put everything here. Okay, take the first one here, right here. It's more like trying to replicate what is there, and Ctrl plus C, copy and paste. Also, what is there. I think I can get it smaller. if I can get it smart, that would be good. Okay, that seems fine. Um, okay, this can be adjusted also. So tired, guys. Okay, we have the next one here. This is what for skills. Just want to put everything here. Come in. We have this copy here. Okay, so there we still have another one. Then we have four of this, so we can just select this, copy. I hold my shift by the way to do that. Trying to move down. Okay, so this is 4, not 3, so I'm just going to reduce this, copy and paste. Nope, copy and paste, duplicate to have this. So we have this right. Okay, so we have this full right. So we have this. So so we have this one here, and we can adjust this. We have to go back to the question that told us. The question says just to make this very bold that we are to make the font size 12. Okay, built-in header of your choice. We're using this font, so we're going to change it, so that's fine. Just one. Okay, so from 19th January. So you're just looking at this. Okay, so we have to pursue a carrier in the field of education. Okay, so we are going to change all that. We're not just, we have a sample to what we can work on. Okay, and so if we go back to the application, that gives us an idea what we're going to actually do. So let's start with the application. We've done the sample of it. Now we can start with the application. Replace Good Shepherd School Hometown with your home address and italicize. So I'm going to put my home address here. Okay, double click on the header. Be careful. So I'm going to use click here on the cursor, use my arrow right, hold my shift and my arrow right. So my home address, Christ Avenue. Okay. Um, okay. Of at Mirati. Right. Yeah, we're going to italicize. Okay. The next question is replace and this this with your registration number and the combination of your first name to form an email address. Okay. Okay. So we have this. So let's do that. So I have NGO64. That's school with your number for IGCSE, and of course my first and last name, email address. I have agile nd at gmail.com. Okay, so I think we're done with that. Replace this with your surname and your first name. Okay, surname and first name. So I have nd agile, and they said to pursue a career in the field of education. So let's start formatting that, guys. So objective, we have that for objective. Um, so we can do that here for objective. We'll come to for the shape views, shape outline rather, no outline, and we want to bold the content here inside bold. I think it's bolded in the question. Okay, not bolded. So don't bold, guys. Not bolded. So it's actually out from outline right now. Is it 12? Okay, so we have this. Okay, so we have this. Okay, they said let's go back to the question. They said to pursue a career in the field of education with your own objective. Okay, so for me, it will be in the field of education though. So it's still education though. Yeah, I'm a teacher, so yeah, education. So it's for me. So they said replace the plus signs of the bio data. So let's work on that on the bio data so we can take this off. So we can put this here. So we have the bio data here. Okay, the bio data is here, and just want to check what it is that we have not. Okay, we have the bio details here. Okay, and it said we have the sex, date of birth. So let's do that. Sex, date of birth, state of origin. Okay, so we have that. Now the question says, with the corresponding details of your biodata. So you place the plus sign with corresponding to all of your biodata. So you just simple questions you just been asked there. So what's gonna be my sex? It's male. My date of birth is going to be 20. That's it. So okay, so just it could be anything, guys. So 21st of January 19 star star. Okay, I got you there. That I was gonna tell you. Jokes on you. Jokes on you. It's 21st, not 21st. Okay, jokes on you. State of origin, Bible states. Look at government. We have Uyo. Okay, so we have that. Looking good, guys. Um, type your educational history for the year. So we have educational history right here. So we have educational history. So let's work on that. Hold my shift. Select. Use my L key to move. We're gonna fix that. So we have um, educational history. Okay, so what is there in the question is in the educational history we have year. And what are they saying? The year they said year to year. Okay, I think year to year. Okay, so they just uh for the year to year they want you to type educational history for year to year. Okay, so I have my educational history is 20. Just put up anything. Uh, this is 2008 to 2022. Okay, and here we have junior WAEC certificates. So we should leave that on change. So junior WAEC certificates. Okay, the school name and state. Okay, let's see. And school name. Okay, so the school should be Rivers State University. The state is Rivers State, obviously. That's the giveaway for you. Okay, moving on to the next question. Um, personal skills. Okay, so let's talk about personal skills. Okay, so what this question tells us about personal skills? Um, says use bulletin of your choice to give four personal skills you possess. Okay, so what are the personal skills I possess? Okay, and said bullet bullet numbering. Okay, okay. So one, teaching. Music. Reading. Let's carefully. Mm, Making research. Okay. Um, Change the bar data text box to a rounded rectangle shape. So we'll change it to rounded, round it to rounded. So let's do that. So I come here to shapes, then I come here to I just click on it, right? Nope, nope, nope. I right click on it and I go towards not edit text, change shapes. Yeah. So right here under this edit shape, click on it. You see change shape to what? To rounded. Now notice that has changed. And right here, set to horizontal scroll bar shapes. Okay. For what? Personal skill. Okay. So stay here. Change shape to horizontal scroll bar. Done. Okay. Now, to have done that, type two hobbies to replace the at sign. So let's go to the section of hobby. Okay, so hobbies, and so we have the hobbies here. Okay, we have hobbies, we have best result. Okay, I think it came out wrong in printing or exporting to PDF rather. So this is hobbies, so we could just um put that right here. We could just copy this. Okay, so okay. Oh boy, I didn't know where that came from. The text have to be visible for everyone to see. Holding my shift. Okay. Now to format this, you right click, you go to format shapes, and then you go to field, you make it transparent. Okay, field, make it transparent. Then you have that. Okay, so I can copy this, paste it here. I think I could call this hobbies. Okay, now the question says type two hobbies to replace the star symbols and two best subjects to replace the hash symbols. Okay, so it's hobbies slash subjects, best subjects the same. Okay, okay, what kind of point do they have there? Okay, just okay. So my hobbies is I don't put a skill reading, making research. So my hobbies is things I like to do. Um, Listening to jazz music and teaching. My best subject is information, communication, technology, and the Bible. Okay. Type the appropriate information in the referee text box. So we have this. Type your uncle or father's name. Guess this is not part of it. So I have my referee here. Okay. Just check if that is spelling of referee. Alright. So we have this here. Okay. I think we should okay, I think we should distribute horizontally. Yes, distribute horizontally makes it equal. Okay, and the spaces between. So that's fine. You see here in align objects. Okay. Um. Okay, but it's not aligned properly. So it's aligned horizontally but not vertically. So we could actually do that. Okay, nice, better. Okay, and the question says type your father's name. Andy, um, here's our relationship to you. Father, uh, just put just Lagos State. Phone number, just phone number right here. Phone number here. Okay, think we're done with this, guys. Now, they said we should use this kind of font, but I want to be sure if that's what they told us in the heading. I've not forgotten. Okay, so it's only for the inbuilt header that they want you to add it. Okay, okay. Okay, so we have it here. Most times, just type the font. It's going to have the properties. Okay, so we have this here. Every other thing is and both them with, they said, and both them with font 12. Okay, it's always good to go back. They said to uppercase. They said by default to uppercase, italicize and bold them with font 12. We're going to here change uppercase by italicizing them. Coming here, change case to uppercase. That's what this for. We are bolding them, we're italicizing them. Italicizing them. Okay, and they're all 12. So I think we are done with this, guys. Now the next question comes here. To put it theory questions. Three answers. They said